So if you've ever wondered how people turn their knowledge into a business that makes money while they sleep, in this video I'm sharing exactly how I built a profitable digital product business from scratch. So you're going to learn how to identify the right skills. Also, you're going to learn how to choose the perfect product, the type of the product that you'd want to choose and create. And also you're going to learn how to start selling without a big budget or fancy tools. But I should warn you, this video is not for everyone. This video is not for you if you are looking for an overnight success or a quick hack without putting in any work. It doesn't work like that. You still have to take action. This video is about taking action, the things that you're going to do for you to be able to build a digital profitable business from scratch. Now, if you're ready to take action and build something sustainable, this video is for you. Just like I said, this video is all about the actions that you're going to take for you to be able to build this online profitable business. The first step or the first action that you have to take for you to be able to build a profitable digital product business is to identify what you can teach or offer. For me, I leveraged the skills I already had. I was creating content, and so I had knowledge of WhatsApp monetization, copywriting, digital product creation, graphics designing, and video editing, and so on and so forth. I actually had a lot of skills. You need to identify your skills. What can you give other people so they can give you their money? And if someone comes to you right now and they say, okay, I'm going to give you money, but what service can you give them? That's the question that you should be asking yourself at this stage. Simple steps for you to be able to do this. You start by making a list of your skills. What can you teach others? Ask yourself this question: what can you teach others? Or you can also ask you this other question. Ask yourself this other question: what are people constantly asking for your help with? And this is a very good one. Now, I just want to give you extra examples here. If you are good at baking, okay, so you can teach cake decoration or baking techniques to the people who are interested and they can give you their money so that you do that business. If you are a graphic designer, on the other hand, you could teach others how to create stunning, good looking visuals. These are some of the skills I'm talking about. Now, action number two, after you identify your skill or knowledge, the next step is to decide what type of digital product to create. So you're going to choose the type of digital product you're going to create. What type of a digital product are you going to create? Is it going to be a book so that people who are interested in learning what you have to offer, they can easily buy a book from you and they learn what you are offering? Or maybe is it a video? Because here there are different types of digital products that you can create that people can they buy from you. Now, digital products are perfect because they are scalable and also passive. Now, examples of these digital products are ebooks, online courses, PDF guides or templates, or maybe consultation or coaching. I'm sure you've heard about this. This is very popular these days around on the internet. A lot of people are doing consultations and also coaching. If you want to become a coach, because you have that skill, okay, you can coach someone to also know the same things that you know, and they are willing to give you money. I'm telling you, whatever skill you have right now, there is someone out there who is looking for someone who can teach them what you know. So you should find these people because they are going to give you money and they are really desperately looking for people like you. Even if you think it's too simple for you, it's not simple for others. So you have to find a way to create a digital product that these people can buy from you, sell them your skills. So ebooks, online courses, PDF guides or templates, or consultation or coaching, these are some of the digital product types you can consider creating your product around. So ebooks, they are easy to write, okay? You can also easily sell these ones and easy to deliver. Courses also, you can create these if you are trying to explain something in details. For instance, this is a guide video, but if I was to create a course about everything that I'm talking about in this video, it would be a series of different videos showing you exactly the steps and actions you have to do to exactly build this business until it's out there. The action step for this second action is you have to choose one product that feels mostly uh, manageable to start with, something that you're comfortable with. For example, if you are a teacher, start with an ebook or a simple video course. Don't overcomplicate these things. That's just the action step you have to do on this one. Something that you can easily create. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So now that you've decided the type of digital product you're going to create, you have to create it. A lot of people at this point of taking actions, they get stuck. I don't want you to be one of these people. I want you to be the kind of person who is willing to do whatever it takes to get the results they want. So I want you to take this third action at this point. Now you're going to create the product. The truth is, it doesn't have to be perfect when you're just starting. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't go, I'm not perfect. Don't worry about it. Just create it, even if it's not perfect. So I started with an ebook and later created courses and templates myself. I didn't complicate it. It was just an ebook. Then later on, I created these other things. After deciding the digital product type you're going to create on top here, here you're going to use these tools to create these digital products. Maybe you want to create an ebook or maybe a cover for your ebook. You're going to use Canva. If you are writing this ebook, you're going to use Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Now, for you to be able to host video courses or tutorials, you're going to use Teachable or Udemy. If you are going to do consultation and coaching, you can use WhatsApp or Zoom. Or for classes, okay, I use classes. And actually, the first digital product that I created was a class, not an ebook. I had hosted a class on WhatsApp, and the people bought that class. So this is a digital program. These are the tools you will need: Canva, Google Docs, or Microsoft Word, Teachable, Udemy, WhatsApp, and Zoom, and so on and so forth. There are so many different free tools out there online that you can use to create these digital products up here. Now, after deciding that you are going to use to create this digital product, you have to set a goal, or you have to think of the things you're going to put in this digital product. What are these things? Okay, so here set a goal for how much content you need to create for your first product. For an ebook, this could be as simple as 5 pages. Don't overcomplicate it. Just like I said, it should be simple and easy. Don't overcomplicate it. So the tip for you here is focus on providing value rather than perfection. I know a lot of people who worry about being perfect. As for instance, this video, look at it. The way I'm using Google Docs here, don't overcomplicate it. Okay, just start. Don't be a perfectionist. I know a lot of people who are perfectionists, and so they will start giving excuses like, "But I'm not perfect. I don't know how to do this." Don't overthink it. Just start. Just focus on offering value. All what people care about is the value you are giving them. They don't care if you are shy or you are not perfect. They don't care about your worries. Okay, what they want is their problems fixed. If you can fix their problems, you will be good to go. So you just need to focus on that. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on solving a problem. This is what matters. Now, action number 4, you're going to set up a sales process. This is where you have to start thinking of payment options because now you've created this digital product. How are people going to pay you money for them to have access to this digital product? So if you're just starting out, you can look for ways to create a PayPal account or a Stripe account. These are very simple for everyone, you, the creator, and also the user. But you can also use WhatsApp payments, so mobile money, and also other forms of payments in your local area if you're creating content for locals. So here you should also be able to choose the sales platform. When it comes to selling, you can choose to sell your product on WhatsApp by sharing a payment link and sending the product after payment. Or you can use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy for easier product management and also customer tracking. These are just some of the sales platforms that I recommend you check out. WhatsApp for sharing a payment link, which is a PayPal link or a Stripe link, or maybe just hosting your product on Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy. These are online e-commerce websites where you can actually upload your digital product and sell. These are the platforms that you can use to sell your digital product. So for you here, just have to choose a platform to host your digital product. Now here, take action and choose a platform to host your digital product. For beginners, I recommend Gumroad because it's free to start and easy to use. But I want you to set up a simple landing page or a link to sell your product, which can be a PayPal link or a Stripe link. These two platforms, they do offer a wonderful way to sell digital products. Now, action number 5 is all about how you can sell your product. Once you've created your digital product and you've set up your payment process, it's time to get people to buy. People have to know about your product, right? How do they know about your product? You have to market your product. You don't have to just start marketing instantly. You need to have an audience, okay? So you need to build. Now, this is after you've created your digital product, you've also set up your payment processes. You have to build an audience. This can be done on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, which Twitter is now X. So here you just replace this Twitter with X. LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or other social media platforms that you are. There's TikTok, there is also Snapchat, and so many other social media platforms, which I know you know. What you want is to build an audience on any of these platforms. Then you can also use WhatsApp groups or Telegram channels to build intimate connections with potential buyers. This is what I'm trying to do myself. I'm trying to grow my Telegram channel. So if you are interested in these notes, this document right now, I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. I'll leave the link down to the Telegram channel in the description. So if you're interested, go and check that out. But also consider running Facebook ads. This is great. A lot of people do run ads on Facebook, including the celebrities that you follow. They add, all business people actually use Facebook ads because it's great. If you want to have a lot of people seeing your product and also buying from you instantly, even if you don't have an audience, you can run Facebook ads. Now, what you're going to do here is you also have to offer free value. You have to give out free tips or host free classes to attract following. Because if they don't know what kind of a person you are or the kind of value you offer, they are not going to be able to buy from you. What you want is these people buying from you. If they get a feel of what it feels like to learn from you, they will easily give you their money, especially if you're really offering value that's helping them solve their problem. So for this here, I want you to create content that educates your audience. This could be social media posts, blog articles, or videos. Example, if you are, so this is just an example. Let's also make this bold to just so, for instance, here I'll just give you a quick tip. If you are selling, for instance, let's say you are selling a course on graphic design, what you should do is you should share quick design tips on Instagram or X. Create something of value, a short, small piece of content that can offer value. But then, if these people who are watching this your content, who are consuming this your content, if they are interested in learning more about whatever value you are offering, they should buy a full course from you. So this is everything you need to do to market and sell your product. Okay, build an audience on platforms like X, Facebook, or Snapchat, and these other social media platforms. There, or you can also use WhatsApp group or Telegram channels. And also consider running Facebook ads. Offer free value to these people who are following you. Okay, as you are building this audience, give out free tips. Then host free classes on WhatsApp or Telegram. That's what I do myself to attract a following. At this point, your business is going to look good, but now you also have to now optimize and scale your business. Now, when it comes to scaling, you want to improve. Okay, so customer feedback is very important because you're going to use this to enhance your product or create new ones. Let's say if someone buys a product from you, they know everything about that. They've read your book, ebook, and it's good. They want more information from you. What else can you give them? So now you have to create more products, ebooks, courses, or templates. This is good for your business. You have to grow it. Then consider affiliate marketing. So this is why you have a product, but then you're going to give it to your followers and say, okay, I'll give you this product, go out there, advertise it to the people who are interested in this topic. If they buy, you get a cut or a percentage from the sale. So that's affiliate marketing. Then also consider automating your sales. Put in place a system. Automation means you put in place a system for it to work in a way that even if you are not there, people will still be able to like have access to your digital products. It's different to a physical store where, for instance, let's say you have a store. For people to have things, for people to buy from you, you need to be there. But for a digital product, you can simply put it on the internet and put in place a system or maybe a website so that people, when they come to that website, they click on a button, it takes them where the digital product is, they buy that. Even if you are not there, they're able to do this. It's a system that sells for you. So automation is more like putting in a system that sells for you. And also you have to think of marketing that saves you time. Okay. So this is exactly how I build a profitable digital product business from scratch. You should understand at this point is you don't need a huge budget or a big following or a fancy equipment for you to be able to achieve this. You just need to take action. Okay, just taking action. I know this This is a problem for a lot of people, but you should be able to take action. If you are ready to create your first digital product, check out my free resources that I will link down in the description, or you can join my Telegram community for free tips or on getting started with your digital product. What I want is for you not to wait. I'll also put this in bold. Okay, don't wait. Take action today and start building your business. This is the right time for you to take action. Here is the material you need. Here, what I want you to do, this is the action checklist. Okay, skills list. Make sure you write down your skills and knowledge. When you have that skill, create content. And the tools that you're going to use are Google Docs, Canva, Teachable, or Gumroad. Okay, when this is done, you have to put in place the payment methods. So this is something like PayPal or Stripe. These are very simple and easy, or just mobile money, for local clients. Now, after the payments, you're going to market your product, and for that, you can use Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, X, and so many other social media platforms out here. But what you should not forget is product creation plan. Set a goal for your first product, which can be an ebook, video, or a course. I just want you to take action, okay? Take action. You have to take action and try these things out. Make mistakes fast, fail fast. That's how you move ahead of 99% of people out here. People are very lazy. They don't take action. And so if you take action, you're going to put yourself in the top 1% of people who take action. And these people are the ones who win. And so if you want to be one of them, take actions. Take this information, use it to your advantage. Don't take this information for granted. You are going to meet to lose. You will perish because of lack of knowledge. And this is the knowledge that you need for you to be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So I just hope this video is helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.